Ants are tiny warriors of our planet. When we talk about tiny, hardworking creatures with the most organized lifestyle in nature, ants are unbeatable. They're not only countless in number, but also master builders, brilliant strategists, and creatures with one of the most complex social lives among insects. Though just a few millimeters in size, ants play a huge role in global ecosystems to the point that the combined biomass of all ants on Earth might equal or even surpass that of humans. The world of ants, a universe beneath the ground. Each ant colony is like a miniature nation, complete with a strict hierarchy and clear division of labor queen ants, worker ants, and soldier ants. Depending on the species, a colony may consist of just a few dozen individuals or up to millions, all operating as a single, unified organism. Ant nests are complex structures that include nurseries, where eggs and larvae are carefully nurtured, food storage chambers, stockpiled for times of scarcity, queen's chamber, centrally located and heavily guarded, humidity regulation, and quick transportation. Some species even build their nests in trees, inside decaying wood, or make floating rafts on water. Find food, recognize fellow ants, and detect danger. Chitin exoskeleton, a super tough outer shell that protects their internal organs. Despite their tiny size, ants can lift 10 to 50 times their own body weight, depending on the species. Imagine a human lifting a car. That's how strong ants are. Social life, nature's iron discipline. No ant lives alone. Ants thrive in communities where each member strictly adheres to its role. A. Queen ant, the mother of the entire colony, can live from a few years to over 30 years depending on the species. Her sole job, reproduction. Some queens lay millions of eggs in their lifetime. Worker ants, the majority of the colony, cannot reproduce. Soldier ants, larger, stronger, with bigger jaws, defend the colony and fight enemies. Some species even have soldiers that use their oversized heads to block tunnel entrances like living doors. Male ants only appear during mating season. Winged, they leave the nest with young queens to mate. After an ant can leave a trail of pheromones while walking. Forms of communication include emergencies to call for reinforcements, trail pheromone, ones used to create precise routes to food sources. Diet, ants eat almost everything. Ants are among the most omnivorous creatures on Earth. Depending on species and environment, they eat sugary substances like honeydew from aphids, protein-rich foods, dead insects, animal carcasses, meat scraps, fungus, some Leafcutter ants actually farm fungi from chewed up leaves. Liquids. Certain species have honey ants that store liquid in their abdomens and share it with others when needed. Some ants are even fierce predators, capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves, from cockroaches and scorpions to even baby snakes. War, when ants aren't so friendly. In the ant world, brutal wars are not uncommon. Battles occur between colonies or even between species. A few incredible examples. Master architects of nature. Some ant nests are as large as a 2-story house relative to the ant's body size. Many species can adjust humidity and temperature within the nest, like natural air conditioning. Build bridges and rafts from their own bodies to cross rivers. Use sunlight and airflow to keep the nest cool and well ventilated. While humans need blueprints to build homes, ants rely on instinct, and the result is no less astonishing. Ants and humans, are foes or friends? There's no denying that ants can be a nuisance, invading food supplies, biting people, protecting aphids that damage crops in exchange for honeydew. Invasive species like fire ants or Argentine ants disrupting native ecosystems. But ants also provide important benefits. Environmental cleanup by consuming decaying organisms. Pollination and seed dispersal, especially in rainforests. Pest control by hunting crop-destroying insects. Inspiring technology in robotics and pathfinding algorithms based on ant behavior. Ants in culture and science. Since ancient times, humans have admired and studied ants. The Bible once said, "Go to the ant." Cultures, ants symbolize persistence, diligence, and unity. Today, ants are leading models in biology, robotics, artificial intelligence, and social behavior research. Their genius lies not in individuals, but in collective intelligence, a concept that still fascinates scientists